Humans don't fight over territory and food. They fight over imaginary stories in their minds. If I look at the present terrible conflict tearing apart my region of the world, it's not really about territory, not objectively. There is enough land between the Mediterranean and the Jordan River to build houses and schools and hospitals for everybody. There is no objective shortage of land. And similarly, there is no objective shortage of food. There is enough food to feed everybody. And this is true of other conflicts in the world. So why do they fight? People fight over the stories in their mind. Like I work in Jerusalem, in the Hebrew University, and you know it's one of the most fought over places in human history. It's hard to understand why. It's not such a great place. You know, I mean, it's a very ordinary place. You walk around, it's just, you know, you have stones and trees and cats and pigeons and people, just like any other place.
It's on the water, the land is pretty good.
The land is not good. You can grow olives or something. There are no oil fields. There are no gold mines. Nothing. But in their imagination, people think, oh, this is not a stone. This is a holy stone. This is not just any place. It's full of angels and gods and saints and prophets. And they fight over this.